Hello.
Yeah.
What's a rush? Hi guys, I'm Houston.
And I'm Stuart.
And it's Pleasure Beach Resort's 2025 opening day.
It's the 129th opening day of Pleasure Beach Resort, and I cannot wait to get on some roller coasters.
We're going to take you along for the ride.
Let's go.
And welcome back!
And we're inside the park.
It's a busy day here at Pleasure Beach Resort. I always think it's good to get started on a coaster first. What do you fancy, Houston?
Next Streak.
Let's do it.
But first, have you seen this? That's the newly imagined launch pad, ready to open in 2025, and I'm so excited to ride.
Here we are at Nickelodeon Streak. What do you think, Houston? Front row or back row?
Oh, that's a difficult decision, but I think first ride of the day, front row. That was amazing. What did you think, Stuart?
Yeah, really good. Really good. Get some proper airtime there today.
Wow, what a perfect choice for first ride.
I think it always sets up the day ready for what's next.
Yeah, I'm ready to take on the day now. So here's the man of the moment, our Director of Operations, Andy Highgate. How's opening day been, Andy?
So far, it's been very, very good. I mean, the sun is out, people are here, the rides are running. That's what we want, people having a good time. So it's quite exciting. It's good to be reopened.
And if you could go on one ride today, what ride would you go on?
Well, I was on the Revolution because that's my favourite, but that's because I'm a geek and I like steel coasters.
No, it's a good ride.
The Revolution.
Nice. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
I think I'm ready for a sweet treat now.
And TCAF has some croissant sundaes.
Oh, should we go and check them out? Oh my gosh, look at these.
My two favourite things, ice cream and croissant.
Can't wait to tuck into this. So here's Laura, our PR manager. How's opening day?
It's going really well, the sun's shining, it's really nice to see people back in the park. So yeah, we're feeling really good and excited for the season ahead.
Are you going to go on any rides?
I think I'm going to go on Icon.
Nice choice. What a day.
What an amazing day here at Pleasure Beach Resort. What's been your favourite ride, Houston?
Ooh, probably the ride on the Big Dipper. It's a classic, but you can't beat it. What about you?
I really enjoyed the big one today. It was flying.
Before we go though, it's rude not to have a look around the shop, especially when there's some new goodies.
And thank you guys for joining us for the ride. We'll see you here at Pleasure Beach Resort very soon.